Gentlemen, I am your host Fran and welcome back to my channel For Everyman. Guys, in today's episode, we are going to talk about one of the most iconic cologne, which is an absolute club banger. So let's get started. 1 Million by Paco Rabanne. I don't think it needs any introduction among the fragrance nerd. However, if you don't heard about it, then let me tell you guys, this is one of the most amazing creation of Paco Rabanne fragrance house. And the one which I am talking about here is the EDT variant. And it was first launched on 2008 and then rest is history. So this was the brief history which I thought I should include in the introduction. Now coming back to the topic guys, I'll be reviewing this cologne in the same format which I have used earlier. If you don't know, then let me tell you that I'll be splitting this video into 3 parts, where first I will let you know about the characteristic of cologne, and then we will talk about some points which you need to consider before purchasing this cologne, and in the last I will let you know my final verdict. So let's move forward into this video. Before moving forward, let me just tell you that I am not a fragrance expert and this review is completely based on my opinion. So starting with the first part, which is characteristic of this cologne, and the first most important thing which you would like to know is how does this smell. So if you will ask me to explain this cologne in 2 words, then I will definitely say sweet and sexy. The bubblegum kind of smell which is present in the top note is definitely attractive and which makes this fragrance quite sweet. I must say it would be a very good pick if you will wear it on evening. It doesn't matter what's the season, it will definitely work. And trust me guys, when you will smell this cologne, I am definitely sure you will also agree with my point. And in case if you are interested to know the complete notes of this fragrance, then definitely I will put the link on the description. You can go and check it out. This was all from the fragrance point of view. Now coming to the longevity of this fragrance guys, I must say it will last longer. Yeah, it easily lasts 5 to 6 hours on skin, and if you will put it on your clothes, definitely it will be couple of more hours. And the one which I currently have is the 2018 EDT variant of 1 million. The next most important characteristic of this fragrance is the packaging, and the one which you are seeing right now on your screen is the gift pack, which is a little more premium than the normal packaging. However, I must say the bottle of this fragrance is definitely an eye popper, and if you will see it, you will definitely fall in love with it because it looks like a gold brick, which is a very amazing looking bottle. And if you will see it on a store, you will definitely love the look of this bottle, and that is what it makes a good gifting option. So that was all about the characteristic of this cologne. Now moving forward, we will see some point which you need to consider before purchasing this cologne. So let us see one by one. The first most important point which you need to consider before purchasing this cologne, and that is guys the price to quality ratio. Guys, price of this cologne varies if you got it on discount or retail. I would suggest you to get it on discount, as in India we can easily find this cologne in a good discounted deal. It may be on Amazon, it may be on other online sites, or even on some fragrance offline stores like Paco's or Sephora. Now coming to the quality of the bottle guys, it is definitely premium, and the atomizer of this bottle is of high quality too, which will give you a nice spray when you press it. So these all factors give it a very good price to quality ratio. Now coming to the next point which you need to consider for this cologne, and that is guys, it is not a signature scent. Yeah, you heard me right, it caters to a particular category, and in case if you want a cologne which you can wear in any occasion, every time, all the season, then you can go with Dior Sauvage by Christian Dior. I have also made a review on this fragrance too. You can find it on this I button. Now coming back to the video guys, this cologne caters to a particular category which is party or clubbing, and if you have a big pocket, I must say for 4,000 and above, this fragrance is definitely a club banger. It has such a good fragrance guys, even females wants to wear it. Now moving forward to the last point of this cologne, which is not really that important, but I thought to include it. And in case if you want to give someone a good cologne as a gift, I must say 1 million by Paco Rabanne is a good option to give, because it has a very attractive bottle which looks like gold brick, and definitely the one who will be going to receive the gift would really get impressed by it. So these were all the points which you need to consider before purchasing this cologne. Moving to the last part of this video, till now we have gone through the characteristic of this cologne. We have seen some of the points which we need to consider before purchasing this, and now I will give you my final verdict. Guys, 1 Million by Paco Rabanne is one of the most amazing and attractive fragrance available in the market, which even a girl would like to wear. Talking of the use, it would be a nice wear for the evening. Considering it as a club banger or a party banger, this fragrance is definitely something which every male would love to wear. In India, you can easily get this cologne in discounted deal. No matter it's online or offline, you can easily get good discounted deal for this cologne. And my final verdict would be, if you want one of the most premium clubbing or a party fragrance, even which you can wear on a date on a night time, I must say Paco Rabanne 1 Million would be a best choice for you. So that was all for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. In case, then give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Until then, stay healthy, stay classy.